Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Apple ID signed in and iOS up to date, because installations and permissions depend on that. Once done, choose whether you'll install the official Chatgpt app from the App Store or create a fast web shortcut. The app gives native features, the web shortcut is quicker. Make sure your network is stable so downloads and sign in complete without interruptions. This prevents issues with verification or restoring settings later. You now install or access Chatgpt and sign in with your OpenAI account. This links your preferences and chat history. If using the app, tap Get and accept permissions. If using Safari, sign and then add to home screen for app-like access. Make sure to enable microphone and notifications if you want voice input and real-time replies. Once signed in, verify model selection and subscription status, so responses match expectations. You finish by customizing quick access. Add the Chatgpt widget or create a Siri shortcut so you can open or prompt it hands-free. This saves time. Then check privacy and background refresh settings so the app can use mic and stay updated. If something fails, try simple fixes first. Force quit the app, reinstall it, or reset network settings. These resolve most connectivity and permission errors. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh your account state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.